Hello, welcome to Eben Tech Studio, lovely viewers. Thank you for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell for more tips on church media and technology. This video is for educational purpose. Today on our video, we are going to demonstrate how we can upload and use our Catholic, Roman Catholic, English hymnary, Pentecostal songs, and the Tree Bible. So this database was specifically built for the Roman Catholic Church. So what we are going to do today is that we will demonstrate this video using the Easyworship 6 or Easyworship 7. Just get yourself ready for this tutorial. So once you have installed your Easyworship 6, you are okay to go. But for the purpose of this video, we are using a demo version of the Easyworship 6. So you are going to see the watermark of Easyworship in the presentation. But once you have purchased a license from their website, we will be free to go and activate. So what we can do is that after you have downloaded a file, you can contact the Telegram or the WhatsApp or the email and then have access to the link to download the zip file or the file itself. Once you have downloaded the file, open the file. It could come in a zip file. So once you have downloaded it, you open it up, copy it to your PC or whichever way you download it, and then you drag the content to the desktop to extract. I've already done that. I'm not going to extract again. Or you can either click on the extract to and then select a location from the location list and then click on the OK button to extract the content to the selected location. So what we do is that once we have done the extraction, we are going to open up the folder which has been extracted, and then we are going to have the 5 files in the folder, excluding the readme file. So if the file is there, the readme file contains instructions as demonstrated in the video on how to add and how to search the lyrics and how to use the database in Easyworship 6. So make sure you read the information in there and you'll be good to go. So now we select the 5 files, the collections and all files which say songs, and then we copy them by using Ctrl+C or right click and then choose copy. Let's close this window. Once we have copied, it is in our clipboard. Now open up your Easyworship 6. I'm assuming you already have a default database. Before you come across this database, perhaps you might be using a profile or an existing database already. So what we are going to do now is that I already have my Church of Christ profile. So what I'm going to do is to click on profiles. So this database is having more songs and more lyrics. So you can create a new profile for it, and while you use, you'll be enjoying it because most of the songs which are ideal for Catholic are included in this database. I can assure you of that. So once you click on profile, choose profiles manager and then click on new. Once you click new, you wipe out the new profile and then you type in the name of your church or the name you want to give to your profile. So I give my profiles a name and then I click on let me give it a name, Amen Catholic Church, and make sure I select start using this profile when finished. The reason why that window popped up was that I've already created a profile like that. So it's like there's an existing profile already. So this one I've added another text to it just to make it distinctive. So I click on OK to start using this profile, and I make sure I click on switch to make the profile an active profile once I close the profile editor window. So just click on the switch to. Let's see what Easyworship has for us, a window or a dialog. So I told you we already have more songs and more lyrics in this database we are going to upload. So we aren't going to click on install or remind me later. We are going to use cancel. We don't want any default songs because most of the songs are already in our database. So we just click on cancel. And then we click on profile again. Let's choose profile manager. Now we click on the link, the Eben Catholic Church profile instance location. That is, we want to locate where our database will be stored. So we open the v6.1 profile, the folder. We move on to databases. Now we open data folder, and then we paste using Control V, or we right click and we choose paste. Now when we click on paste, the existing files in there, so we are going to choose replace. If you are using a third-party copying tool, you might see overwrite. Choose overwrite. They are the same terminologies. So now once we have paste our files, let's close this window. We close this one. Easyworship has loaded our lyrics and everything and our database into this profile for us. Now this is where we learn how to use the databases. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's expand the collections. Now let me show you something. After pasting the files, if you get an error that says any Easyworship error, just click on OK, close your Easyworship software and reopen it again, and now you will be fine. Now let's come to Catholic hymnal. You click on Catholic hymnal. So we have the hymnal for now is only English. Okay, for now it's only English, and it's preceded by CEH, Catholic English hymnal. So if you want to search for hymn number 200, you select the search box and then CHE 200. There you are, you go. And every hymn number is also accompanied by the hymn title too as well. Time has been taken to make sure the lyrics are labeled with verses, with choruses, refrain, intro, outros, and then the rest. So just to make it simple for the presenter or whoever sits behind the PC controlling the presentation to do it with ease. So I think this will make it very simple. This will make it very simple when we are projecting. So now this is what we do. This is how we search for the hymns. And then if you are searching for hymn number 2 or 100, you can hit 100, THE 100, and there you are, you go. Okay, you might ask yourself, I want to search by a phrase or a word in the song. Perhaps I don't know, actually don't know the hymn number as they are singing. I don't know, I didn't hear of the hymn number, but I know a phrase or a word in the song. Click on this icon and then select words. Once you select words, you'll be able to search by any word in the song. So let's say we want to search for "Oh Bread of Heaven." So it has gone through the search results to give us songs which contain bread of heaven, and then the first one of them is the hymn number 103, which is already selected. Once you click on it, everything will be loaded. The preview will be loaded over here. We can go on live, and then let me show you the live view. Once we are on live, this is my live screen, or this is my projector. So this is what we are going to see on the screen. Now let's come back to Pentecostals. When we click on the Pentecostals are going to contain songs and hymns, lyrics which are ideal for our church worship and other stuff. So our local songs that we sing in our churches, which are charismatic churches or charismatic songs and Pentecostal songs. So we can search for any song like "Glory be to my Lord." So we have a song like this, and then we can project. Now the same thing applies to the Catholic. The way we search by words, you can do same when you are searching in the Pentecostal, when you know a phrase in the song. So let's move on to the Tree Bible. Once I click on the Tree Bible, now what we can do in the Tree Bible is that we want to search in the Tree Bible a scripture. So when we search a scripture in the Tree Bible, so when you want to search, let's say Romans, you search by the first 3 letters of the book in the English hymnary, and then in the English letters. So let's say Romans chapter 3. You just enter Rome, then 3 space, you give a space, you enter 3, and then there you are. You will be moving on to the live screen. So that is it for us. When you are at the live side, you can navigate using your down and up arrow keys. So that is it. And then let's see if you want to search for First Kings. You enter one, you give a space, First King, and then the first 3 letters, chapter 10, you give a space, chapter 10. There you are. Everything will be in tree for you. Okay, everything is going to be in tree for you. So you just enter the Kings in the English way, but everything will be done in the tree for you. So that is how you'll be able to search. More instructions are kept in the README file first. So get a link from any of these contacts below, and then you install. And when you have any difficulties or you see errors in the song lyrics, you can alert us. But I can assure you, time has been taken to clear out errors and mistakes too. So like the video, share the video, click on the notification for more tips on church technology, and then Easyworship too as well. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.